So here's my next step on my home sign with the seasonal changeouts. I have painted this wooden O black, and that's going to be hung on the sign where the O should be. And then I've taken these round discs made out of wood and I'm painting them black. And then I'm going to put things on them on the front. Okay, so after all of the discs have been painted, I am now putting satin Mod Podge on the front to protect them and to make it so that the decorations that I put on stick well. Hey everybody, it's Kathy, and until we get Studio G back in business, I'm recording from home. This is that home sign that I upcycled from a Valentine sign. Now I'm going to work on the O. Well, I worked on the O. I'm going to show you what I did. So I bought a wooden O and I painted it black, and I hung a hook on the inside there. That is going to hold my seasonal signs, and this will hang down and it'll show you what the season is. Sorry if you hear the cat meowing in the background. He's very upset that I am not holding him. He's gonna have to wait a few minutes. So here is the March sign. I decided I wanted to do gnomes. So each of these little wooden circles is painted black, and then a vinyl gnome is stuck to it, and then I have been Mod Podging over it so it'll stay real nice. So hopefully it'll last through the weather. I'm using outdoor Mod Podge. Cross your fingers. And then I'm going to take a piece of Velcro that's really strong and stick the O onto the sign. And I will be back to show you the finished product. Okay, so I've got my Velcro on the back of my O, and I'm going to get it centered on the sign, and then I will show you the finished product. I'm using the Velcro so that I can use, so I can take it off if I need to, if I want to change things out. Well, it's pretty good sticking power. So here is my O with my home. Okay, and let's see, where did I put the March one? With my little leprechaun gnome on it. And you just slide it onto the little hole, and there, it's March. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hopefully things will get back to normal. We have some things going on that we couldn't get into this regular studio. So I've been trying to fill in with some easy crafts, but this really wasn't that easy. If you do make a sign like this, go to our Studio G Creates Facebook page and post a picture. We love to see what you do. Once again, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the little bell and you'll be notified when we have new material out. And like this video, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Have a good day.